So I'm here shopping at Costco, guys. Gotta buy a lot of mints because I'm making some sweet and sour meatballs for my son's baby shower. Which one?
Is it purple chocolate?
Oh, nah. I don't like chocolate, but if you guys can eat it, you get it. Cause at least you got the blueberry.
Maybe.
What's that one? Oh, no one eats that one, Daddy.
No
We
one?
got it before, and only one tried.
My wife said she recognized you guys on the video on YouTube.
Oh.
That's Elvis. She always watches over there.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Thank you for watching. It look like a Filipino.
Guess what, guys? They brought the lamingtons back. The best lamington in the world.
We did this one with the third, not the second.
Oh, yeah, get that one then.
Next one?
Yep.
Sure? This one, eh? This one?
Yep. That's the one. We got more stuff, guys, but I didn't get the camera out. But everyone needs one of these down there.
We don't need any of them.
Nah, we'll get it from Woolies.
That's it?
Yep. Here's our shopping, guys. I like these black grapes here. They're so sweet. Got me some prawn mongtong noodle soup. And of course the lamington and pepper. That's it. Not much today.
Okay, we are at Costco, Master Park. I just had hot dog and Pepsi with Frosty Boy. Frosty Boy.
That's ice cream, guys.
Frosty Boy.
Yep. We had a hot dog and drinks. And then I went and got me ice cream. And then Gucci wanted to scab.
And that's breakfast and lunch together at 12 o'clock.
Yeah, and then after this, we're gonna go and pick up Noah from work. Yeah, so he didn't drive himself. Yesterday he drove himself, but today we needed to use the car, so. Yeah. Yeah, hi guys. So we're here for my son and his partner's baby shower, and we already got our food at the moment. So I'm going to show you my plate, guys. So I've got charcoal chicken, pork, sweet and sour meatballs. Where is it? Oh yes, sausage, and a bit of rice. My son made most of it, and I ordered the chicken. That was my contribution.
This is the dog that we raised when she was a little baby.
Wow. Love, excuse me. Sorry, Mama.
Mama, guy.
Awesome. Yeah, what about the rest? Come on, sing. The rest.
That looks sexy.
Give it to Anna. No, take the photo.
Hold on, Bella, your glasses are there.
You want me to take it? Yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll take the Hold it down.
What?
Can you make sure you get our shoes above the ceiling?
Oh, sorry. Do you want like full body shot?
Yes.
Jaya.
Stop with tomorrow. She's yeah, I'm still looking at the front now. You give a full body. Sorry.
Oh wait, fail. You go past. Do you need to go past? Me, camera. 1, 2, 3. Wait, again. It was good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, can I sit this way? I think they're nice.
You missed that, Noah. That's a nice camera.
Now the brothers. Hey, Jerome, the brothers. Later.
Brothers.
This is your baby shower. This is your baby shower. Which one? No? Stop hiding by the dessert table.
Stop exposing us.
Stop hiding.
I deserve it after all my hard work out there.
Even you there in the middle.
Wait, Mum, you're not people got smashed. I don't want the cheese. Oh, that's good. That's what I said. The strawberry is even better. It's like strawberry with chocolate.
Baby photos. Jerome and Beck. Jerome as a baby.
As soon as he ate it, he
Beck
came
as
back
a baby.
for more, and then he told me Mum to make him a tray.
And
Be better.
No, that was still
the new baby.
And look at Beck. I can't believe it's Beck. I honestly can't believe it.
What?
She's like, I'm not the only regular in the family. Yay! Hopefully this baby comes out right now. Yay!
Yeah, I hope so too.
I know. Then I'm like, hey, hey, hey.
Yeah.
So I did come back. Keep your chin on it. That was my hey, hey, jump. No, jump.
Jump, baby. No, she's not there yet.
set, jump. 3, 2.
What are you doing?
Supervisor. Gotta be a supervisor, otherwise.
Can you catch to 11?
Oh man, I don't know. Good girl,
She says 8
sweetie.
twice.